How to add categories and subcategories in the ServiceMate. Log in to the admin panel. Navigate to Categories on the left-hand side menu. Click on Categories. Add a new category. Click the Add New Category button. Fill in the category details. Name. Enter the name of your category, for example, Writing and Translation. Parent category. If Writing and Translation is a primary category, select None. Upload category icon. Select an icon image for the category. The size should be 100 by 100 pixels. Upload category banner. Select a banner image for the category. The size should be 1400 by 806 pixels. Description. Write a one-line description of the category. Set display order. Set commission % to 0. Set credit deduction to 0. Publish and display on homepage. If you want the category to be published, tick the Published checkbox. To display the category on the homepage, tick the Show on Homepage checkbox. SEO details. Search engine friendly page name. Meta title. Meta keywords. Meta description. Save the category. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Save button to add the category to your platform. Congratulations! The primary category, Writing and Translation, has been successfully added. Now, let's move on to adding a subcategory under this primary category. Click on Add New Category. Enter the name of the subcategory, such as Content Writing. For the parent category, select Writing and Translation to link this subcategory under the primary category. Upload the category icon, ensuring it's sized at 100 by 100 pixels, and the banner image at 1400 by 806 pixels. Add a short description. Set the display order. Set the commission deduction and credit deduction to 0. Tick the Published box to make this subcategory live. If you'd like to showcase it on the homepage, tick Show on Homepage. Finally, complete the SEO details. Click Save, and your subcategory is now successfully added to the platform. Navigate to the front page of your platform. The category must be displayed in two places. The main category, Writing and Translation, will appear under the Explore Our Marketplace section if you marked it as published. The subcategory will be displayed under the Popular Category area if you marked it as published on the homepage. Congratulations! The process to add the category and subcategory is now completed successfully.